Hello guys, welcome to CloudRaga. So in previous video, we talked about multiple features of object-oriented programming and we have covered inheritance, polymorphism. Today we are going to discuss about abstraction. So this is the next topic. So let's see what is abstraction in Java. So abstraction means hiding some kind of implementation, hiding or you can say complex implementations. So I can say hiding complex implementations and showing only important details in terms of functionality. So think about you're driving a car. They are like steering, clutch, brake. So we don't need to worry about like when I press brake, what happens behind the scene. You know that in moving car when we apply brakes, the car slowly or gradually, slow its speed. So what's happening behind the scene? We don't know about the whole mechanism or talk about any engine. So when we use any kind of, fuel inside or with engine, what's happening? We don't know how it is working and how it is giving that all energy supply this whole machine. We don't know about it. So even we don't need to, worry about why or how things are happening. We just need to see like how we can achieve that functionality. So something is in Java as well. So what is abstraction? It's a process of hiding implementation details and showing only the functionality. So hide details or the implementation. I'll say in one word, hide one sentence, hide functionality. Oh my bad. Hide implementation and showing only functionality. So we don't need to get into more detail like how things are happening. We just need to see the functionality. What's the outcome? So something similar is going to happen here. And in Java, we have two ways of achieving abstraction. One is through abstract class, and next one is interface. So in next video, we will see what these class will do and how to use interface and other stuffs with program through Eclipse. Thanks for watching this video. Let's meet in next video. Bye bye.